Do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know how powerful your subconscious mind is? My friend, whatever you want to achieve in your life, whatever resources you need in your life is all already there in your subconscious mind. But the problem is we don't know how to use it. So my friend, NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, is the most powerful tool to reprogram your mind to achieve whatever you want in your life. My friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning in 1991 and got my first formal training in 95, and then I got trained by Richard Bandler, and then I got trained by William Horton, NF NLP US as a trainer, and I'm teaching and using NLP since 95 regularly. I worked with the top level sportsmen in India, and they were failure in the past, and after doing and learning my technique, I utilizing this NLP technique, they become very, very successful. I work with the top level sportsmen, boxers, cricketers, badminton players, tennis players, power lifter, weight lifter, squash players, and plus I work with top level, the CEOs of the companies, some politicians also. Now, NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, is a very, very powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind to achieve whatever you want and put your mind and yourself into autopilot towards success automatically. And I have developed my own techniques. While working with a sportsman, I have developed my own NLP technique which I am going to teach right now, and I use it regularly one-on-one and in my workshops also. Now, my friend, there is a good news is I am going to conduct a WhatsApp workshop. Yes, remember, on WhatsApp workshop on Neuro-Linguistic Programming, it is a 28 days program. Now, my friend, listen carefully. We'll be learning more than 24 processes and technique, and it will be a video course, not like a slideshow or something. It will be a video course where I'll be talking to you, giving you the technique, helping you do the exercise. Plus, there will be a lot of videos from my live training program, so where you can watch how I'm using this technique. Plus, I'll give you a lot of audios and videos. A lot of my players which I have worked, some of their videos will be also there in between. I have been interviewed because of the sports on NDTV, into ESPN, plus Asian Golf Tour shows. My players become very, very successful, and right now at the time of recording, my player is playing in England, a golf tournament, a big golf tournament, and they have become successful using these NLP techniques. Now, listen carefully, my friend. This is not a theory workshop. It's a practical workshop where I'll be giving you a technique, and while I'm talking to you, you will be doing it. Right now, as you are listening to me, I'll be guiding you in the process. You will be doing it. Then there will be a manual will be given, and I'll explain to you how to do it so that you can later on do it on others people also. That way, you'll become a certified NLP practitioners. Now, this is a certificate course, 28 days. You will get videos, audios, plus I'll give you a 4-day live recorded audio program which I recorded as a certificate program on NLP on an MP3 format, which we normally sell. People attending that workshop paid more than 15,000 rupees, but we normally sell through my website around 4,200 rupees. Plus, you will get a video recording, again downloadable video recording of developing a repo using NLP technique where I am giving a live seminar. That video we all normally sell it for 2,000 plus GST. That is also part of this bonus. Now you must be wondering, what is the fees for this workshop? Normally for this kind of seminar I charge 30,000 rupees. Now this is on WhatsApp, coronavirus time. You are going to get a very heavy discount. Listen carefully, my friend. Remember, this is not a theory class. This is a practical class. You'll get not one manual, two manual, one for this workshop, one for the live training I did, which audio recorded. There are 2 PDFs you will get. The fees is, it is not 30,000 plus the bonuses. It is not 20,000. It is not 15,000. It is not 10,000. Even it is not 5,000 rupees, which I can easily charge right now. My friend, listen carefully. If you register immediately, you will get all these bonuses, about 7,000 rupees only only for 1100 rupees plus GST, that become 1298 rupees. That's all. 1298, and this is the first time I am doing in WhatsApp, because normally I do a physical workshop. This is the first time fee. Next time if we decide to do this workshop on WhatsApp, it will be not less than 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So my friend, if you really want to become an NLP practitioner, you really want to use NLP technique on yourself and become successful, you want to help other people using this technique. Now my friend, you will learn a lot of techniques. There is no time to tell you all this. Visit my website, all the details are given there. You will learn more than 20 guided processes. I will guide you, teach you, explain to you. You will experience it, and then you can do it on others also. Everything will be taught to you in a very simple manner, so anybody can learn and use it. My 500,000 people all over the world, they say, I am the best teacher. I explain the things so easily so they can learn things quickly and fast. So my friend, if your goal is to become an NLP practitioner, your goal is to program your subconscious mind, achieve your goal easily and quickly, you want to help other people to become successful, you want to remove your mental blocks, you want to remove your negative patterns, remove fear and phobia, develop confidence, make other people like you instantly, plus many more things you're going to learn in this practical workshop. This is a video workshop, my friend. You'll be getting a video like I'm talking to you now. You'll be seeing a lot of demos from my live seminars. If you really want to become successful in your life, become an NLP trainer, NLP practitioner, this is a workshop for you. Without wasting a single minute, my friend, pick up your mobile, register right now. You can make the registration by enrolling through Paytm, PayUmoney, GPlay, PhonePe. We have all the options. You can transfer in a bank also. But remember, whenever you register, sometimes some people register from some other people's account, so get confused. Immediately send us the screenshot given on the number below with your full name so that we can register you. At the end of this workshop, you will get all the bonuses plus a certificate. Certificate means you become a certified NLP practitioner. There will be some small condition. You have to send me some videos of yours so that you have done the exercises. So my friend, this workshop may not happen again. So if you really want to become it, register right now, call us or use the Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, or if you want to use a credit card, PayUmoney. If you are from out of India, you can use our PayPal button. There is a PayPal button there. It is only $25. That's all. Only $25. So register right now. See you on 21st of August on WhatsApp. Now remember, you will have the complete workshop lifetime available to you on a Google Drive, which will give it to you. So get ready now, register right now, and see you on 21st of August. Thank you.